Hi guys, in this video we are going to build a PC in 10,000 rupees, but I'm not going to buy all the components because to buy all these components we need 10,000 rupees, but right now I don't have that much money. So I'm going to show you all the components that you can use to make a PC in 10,000 rupees, and I'm going to show you some budget friendly components that can help you make this PC. And if you do normal tasks, some simple work, then this PC can be very helpful for you. If you want to do a little bit gaming, a little bit video editing, and do all those normal day stuff, then this PC is going to be very fantastic and useful for you guys. So just keep watching the video. I'm going to show you all the components to make this PC. Let's go. So as to build any kind of PC, the first component we need is this motherboard. So right now we have this motherboard from Zebronics. The full name is Zebronics H61, and the price of this motherboard is 2,235 rupees, and it's a good motherboard. And we also have some specifications written over here, and this is the motherboard. And the second component you need is this one, this processor i5. Right now we have i5 third generation processor. So if you do normal tasks, then this processor is very good. If you want to do a little bit more high level task, then you can change the processor and buy according to your use. But we have this processor i5 third generation. The cost of this processor is 2,288 rupees. And the third component that we have is this one, SSD. If you don't want to spend a little bit more money, then you can go buy HDD hard disk. But if you want a little bit more speed, then then I recommend to buy SSD, because SSD is more faster than HDD. And we have 128 GB of SSD. The price of this SSD is 7,799 rupees. So this is the price, 128 GB. The fourth component we have is this one, DDR5 RAM. If you don't want to buy this DDR5 RAM, then you can go with DDR4. But if you buy this RAM, then it will give you more speed if you buy this RAM. But if you don't want to spend much money, then you can go with DDR4. The price of this RAM is 2,600 rupees. I will also show you the DDR4 RAM price. Let me show you. We have this DDR4 RAM. You can see 1,449 rupees. So you can go with these RAMs. It's a little bit cheap than this DDR5 RAM. And the fifth component that we have is this SMPS from Zebronics. It's a normal SMPS. The price of this thing is 690 rupees. So it's very cheap. And sixth component we have is this cabinet. So I have spent a little bit more money on cabinet, so the PC will look more fantastic. But if you don't want to spend more money on cabinet, then you can buy not that much expensive cabinet. The price of this cabinet is 2,399 rupees, and I have spent a little bit more money on cabinet. And the seventh component we have is this CPU fan. So you need a CPU fan to cool down your PC. So this is the CPU fan for 270 rupees. So in total, if you buy these all components that I showed you, it will cost you this much money, 10,687 rupees. So I have spent a little bit more money on this cabinet and the RAM. If you want to save a little bit money, then you can go with the DDR4 RAM. And for this cabinet, you can buy a less simple cabinet. Let me show you the simple cabinet. You can see these are very cheap cabinets, so you can go with these kinds of cabinet and save a little bit money. And in total, if you buy the PC, it will cost you 10,000 rupees. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to make this PC and buy all the components that I showed you, then the link is given below. Tap the link to buy all the components, and that's it for this video. See you soon. Bye.